In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text outline color here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this extremely easy to do. In fact, let's go ahead and just duplicate this and let's take a look at this. Now, with this text, we can actually see that I do have a black outline. Now, to change this or to even add the outline, you simply want to click onto your text, come up to the top just here to this toolbar, and we're going to see effects. Now, if we click on there, we do actually have a few different options when it comes to outlining text. We have the standard outline, which is the one that I use. We have splice as well, which makes it look a little bit different, and also hollow. Now, if we click onto outline, we can actually play around with the thickness of this as well. Let's just change that back to black, like so, but we can change the thickness like this by playing with this thickness bar. Let's put it round about there, and then to change the colour, we just want to click onto this little colour icon. Then we can actually choose any of the colours in the default colours just here, or we can add our own hex code. Now, if you don't know what a hex code is just a code associated with a certain colour, and every single colour has its own unique hex code. Now, if we click onto this little plus icon, this is where we can put in that hex code. So if we change the colour, you're going to see what that hex code looks like just here. We can also use this little eyedropper and choose any colour which is in our design. So let's go with this purplish colour just there. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change text outline colour here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.